The World War III will start this year.
So for say World War III.
Yes, it's going to start this year.
President Mahama ni akwato private jet.
That's it.
Fact.
And fact.
No scan on your way. Scan on your way. Hey, Ghana for your might be power. You can imagine, sir. Gabriel Trida could have got private jet. Ibra Kufuadu Tinaswa.
All right, so Ghana has seen Ankasano. I don't know, say, Sani Su etie. Yedi bibia politics. And I say, indeed, what people are saying, Sani etie, yeba be kahonsem. Now stories are made, bro, and they actually two stories, and I may combine it together. Now we know, say, Ibrahim Mahama, one of the richest businessman Ghana has seen. Informations about videos circulate here. You say, wakoto new private jet, I say, ya customizing the D in Bibia. Now I want some about baby bree. Crofobity say Clement Asefuamo Benjamin Jewumuna count some matters and midi bro. Now in other stories, him say a torrentium and I say Oyene Kesia SU Iran and Israel for the American for and terminal as they say no escalate your stories and Ababi Munya Empire. Now Busia, can that issue affect Ghana and I say Africa as a country? Burkina Faso for in a home and some Ibrahim Tráore in some prophecies here. Abeto mountain so and makani na boom I say maybe and one full package there more you have media message any dey kwan so be me subscribe button so na wa subscribe and no na be match say ubetimi follow me all the time na bell na da nchen wonu mi aso a ebe ma me drop another video on so sa ebetimi aka be no wan be tie feel free so be try wadwen stories a me dem na like na share no bi so enya binti so yanko into details of the story now videos ebeto monte ye hu ye papa Ibrahim Mahama. They say what a new private jet. I say abeye any customer. I say now private jet now to say yes. Papa no amount one amount to be one pay. Now story see Everton Mountain and Ghana for starting accounts, especially your politicians. No, obi to say Clement and say for now. But be edit to the Facebook page say just 1 year. I say Ninia President John Dramani Mahama eba abayimu and Ninia akwakoto private jet na. President Nanado Danko Kufuado, the 8 years of crown, ya who said in be air private jet, and I say, Bibisa. Now, questions are gonna phone be able to air and say, private jet, and you're trying to say bicycle, and I say, you're trying to say normal car beer, bit Maka say, 1 year, and I say, 6 months, you bet me the processing near the I don't know what a private jet, near customize within be I'm an impact, even car cry a part. Shipping cry it may take more than 5 months, 6 months near the idea. How much more private jet in a Hunyama acquire a whole lot. Now, story see better Monty and Ibrahim Mahama Nankasa the videos about Montia. Wababa Castle and crack what private jet. Now, the second private and the first private jet auto in Siciana about a public ambulance or man say BBC. Now, you hear BB emergency at their solving issue be we're dedicating the first private jet in the amount of my Ghana in our say. To me, I am finished. I was my intentions.
Old plane right now. My old plane. My old plane is that air ambulance now. Emergency air ambulance. Nice for every Ghanaian. Okay. Not for me alone, for every Ghanaian. Thank you.
So, in some way, now, Papa Ibrahim Mahama. The Ababetu Montia. Or James Ghana in as say on the private jet first one in idea. What you sent to me, say BBC or Mabusum na emergency. Between two for my first say, me here Ibrahim Mahama private jet no, ya pese du Kumasi, also to me deliver what you say, or deliver my services at the mind. So these are some of the stories. Now, Benjamin Joe and a oko radio station. So now audience some bebre akoto monti no kase. President Mahama Papa less than 1 year, and I say within a space of 1 year, and a new to me at private jet, or Jim say, man, no, Eddie or mine sika, and an air to talk to Sania man. What I say, of which what Bob Papanechi air castle Ghana for, ye punia for, near Casse, President Nana Adudanko Kufuado, the former president, now buying so. You who send in near be Edis or my sika, and I say, or my Ejapadia air to be beer, it is and you be beer. Into no honor the Chima or say, Ibrahim Mahama private jet na watu awako customizing the din jata ediagu onide. Or my sika and a ninia President Mahama atam ediaman man dia koto sa anema.
President Mahama ni akoto private jet.
Na say ni.
Fact.
And fact.
No scan on your way. Scan on your way. Hey, Ghana for your might be power. Iti say you can imagine say Gabriel Trida could have got top private jet Ibra Kufuadu Tinasua. Anka country no better than it.
No, you jet.
One what jet?
Ibrahim.
No, you say no part 1, ni part 1 not all. Ne jet no. First one. And a part 2 you buy ni 2 years kra wako tobacco waka ho. Na Kufuadu 8 years ni na went to me avanto.
Enti say o mienu.
Oh, o mienu. O tobacco ya ambulance.
O the back ya ambulance am Ghana for.
One the way operating no.
O the am
Ghana for.
Na mo suma yanka. Mini obedi president ya wenye ska koto second. Ghana for mo nyina mo simu trase. Mo simu trase because enwoma mo kafa president Akufo-Addo no. Na ebusia ni ba kumpa anya bi. President Mahama ni abai 2 years in by no obia ntumi nka asem ni bi wo kroma. Obia suro. Me de me nyame wa apamo. Hukumia unku obia. Na o man pani hunia wo ba ye oman japade part 1. Anka wo de bauxite e ma wunia. Ene wo ba ye was also the black water. Oman obi dia o matintum amonsa e de ama no enche ye 2 years krampo mai. Wenye ska koto private jet nipa baako abra Ghana kura posisi aye private jet a president ni du tu kwan no. Obi ni wo. But the minion ni de enyeska akwa koto private jet na ye nyina ye tena anu obi asura asem ka obi antumi nka mema ni kroma ha. Mama ni kroma ha. Na ti saska no nya wen $70 million in Ibrahim nya wen. Mumi yan kanu kro. Mumi yan kanu kro.
Inti abusia we ensema ate say eye Benjamin Jewu apia e de aba beto montia. O trem say Ibrahim ama private jet no. Eye oman ni sika ana yetumi e de akwa akoto. Wonso adwen ene say ususu say private jet no within the space of 1 year no. Papa no betumi akwa akoto. Aha. Na say oman ni sika kra na akoto ya ate say oman no alosi sika bia na oman na lusu sika bia na. We na questions are ebusa also betumi atre wadwen. Now we are moving to the most important and most serious matter ewo montisu sisi yenim se sisi okwa mononi a wiase na ayehunu esane ntokwa ekoso ewo Iran for NHS Israel ni America for ntama sisi no enam so krama Iran one of their prime ministers etumi afamu ewu a akoye ni brisem now stories ni beto montin so no na che say Africa as a continent no you are getting more interest in it because Denya or might be to say Ghana, we have people of Mutu Kwanko, Amanone, different countries, Europe, nature, say Asian countries in our Swintino. We need to have interest our stories. We now videos of some prophecies are about Monte. This particular war we know Ebeba. Even before our incident, he ever started to see prophecies need be every Crawford to say prophet JY Eduwan Mo Ebai, prophet TB Joshua. Omuna somewhere 2012 was prophecies be prepared.
The
World War III will start this year.
Pray for a nation, Iran. And I also say I'm seeing a tension between Iran and Israel. The tension of I want to fight, you want to fight, because if that should happen, it will be very serious than any other one you have ever witnessed. This one will be different from others. This is why we don't want fight. If this kind of fight starts, every other you have read about is an atom. This one will be an element. You know atom to element. How big is the size? So that this one is not issue of fighting the country to country, but the whole world should begin to pray that this should not happen. They should come to understanding and dialogue. Because if this thing happens, many countries will join in support of others. Trouble has come. And it will not be issue of, come on. I'm talking to you, you are talking to me, it's between me and you.
I will not agree.
I will not agree. I will not agree. I will not agree. I will not agree. I will not. God should stop two of us. If not, come. You want to support this man to fight me? You want to support me? You want to support this man? Come. You want to support this? You want to support me? You want to support me? What is coming?
World War.
So this is why I say it's not like others. The whole scenario is not like others. So please, we should be very careful all over the world. It's not like others. Others may just go. But this one, it will spread.
Nkramomaso omabopo ebi ombe hu America ni bia na America embassy bia e kwa da ne ho no de omunde ne be gura topre ntino so sama berari de sekano o tita America so mbompa ma America bo pa ma America
Abema antokwanto
si bema ntokwanto sisi amrama so amrama sika sema sekura niama begiegu baby tu petrol ton no omunkotu wo bese akosoro adwaman so no de mo ho mpaye si amo mpaye bi be kan wa ha bi camera man so osi asudie ka obibia.
Now the most baako a ababe Ibra semate sisi no ye ka ho asem prophecies a every prophet AS Telvin ho no mo ate se o kire mu se war na ekoso Iran ne Israel for ne America for ntem no ente bia eba betie si Africa na Africa na eba betie si no kwa akotie si Burkina Faso. Iti prophecies a all kan o kire mu se ukọ Burkina Faso a anase Yankopon eyi kire na o kire mu se Burkina Faso for president Ibrahim Tráore no wo hu se nkrofo bi assassination akoso ama sabere aye no kase no ya che na yetunu afri na kunwa so na se ku akoso anasa abrofo no esan se omo se Tráore ama Burkina ekoso na opese Africa edi omo ho na te se sa wo we ensensem abayina antinu omo pese omo fa sa wo we su na omo yima ni firi hono ma o chem se a vision an Yankopon eyidi ate na wabusua ensem no meka ebewa ma yenko tie ensem na nkasa bi emfiri papa no ne emrasia.
So that's the first one. The second one, Tráore of Burkina Faso. As the Lord lives. Today I have not slept. That's why my eyes are like that. Tráore of Burkina Faso. Tráore of Burkina Faso. I am seeing Tráore of Burkina Faso. They have handcuffed him. He's sitting down there. He's wearing gray shirt around neck and trousers, jeans trousers and slippers. And black people like terrorists, whatever they are, all those people there, are carrying guns and things, and they are videoing the man. They are having him. They are having a small boy. I don't know whether it's his son or whatever that is. They are having another woman, a grown woman, let's say at the age of 49 years old, almost like a housemaid or somebody that works for them. They've taken all of them. They are 8 in number. They have packaged them at a wall in the corner, and they have videos on them. There is military attire looking in a very, I don't want to mention the country's military attire, but they are all standing at the angle there. They have captured Tráore of Burkina Faso. And then the Middle East, I told you there will be assassinations. There's another assassination coming on. All supreme leader, no. The palace that they're sitting in will catch fire. However, the fire started, the cars will be burning. You watch it on news like it's a movie. And I'll show you, yeah, at the end of the day, they are supremely the main one himself in Iran. And then it will continue. There are 3 major people that will go down in the Middle East, and that's where the war goes on. All sorts of bombs will be flying into Israel. Trump will not be able to stop it, and then he will get involved in it, and the problem will go beyond imagination. And now, first time in history.
So where prophecies are AS Telvin and the Ababetu Monty aside their JY Edumo, Ababe Kaya, their TB Joshua Mun, Ababe Kana, so Uti and Semana, So this time around, I'll say African na yet to now ye my empire bomb yet because ye share war na air coso any videos in Ibia yedi and who need their air coso amon on any dia. Let's say instead and try empire boyable. Now say videos of a yenu be a woman on maybe to say Zion Felix more near Momuke count Kokuma Nuina Castle Makoka Dubai a Hunsen some a baby media. Now, these are some of the stories that are trendy to say. Yababe can be a diatro. Iran for war, no any Russia for, and I say Israel for, to say US for, Macom Buma Sabri, Third World War, almost ever. No, your bumpire say, Uncle Bema, ever pare Africa. Ever pare Africa, because already I started a young soon, so African so any similar that form. And then this prophecy is so, and also as I bear Babontin, so your bumpire say, ni na no embe ebusa we stories a ewo no mo a maba be ka bi na media tro ye besa hia mediane abrante aha you have media me da wase se wagibre na watie me makra